Are you having sleepless nights where you cannot stay asleep throughout the night? Do you find yourself waking up in the middle of the night and can't get back to sleep? Don't worry. We know just the tips and tricks to help you stay asleep throughout the night. This video will provide you with all the information you need to help you get a better night's rest. First, please keep in mind when you go to bed, try to stick to your normal sleep routine and go to bed around the same time each night. It is best to go to bed when you feel sleepy rather than focusing your body to stay in bed when it does not feel like sleeping. Start your night's sleep with a relaxing atmosphere. Make sure that your bedroom is a peaceful spot, quiet enough to enable the mind to rest. It is important to keep distractions like television and work out of the bedroom. Make sure that the lighting is dim and you have comfortable bed sheets. If your mattress isn't providing you comfort, consider switching it to a new one that's more comfortable. Be aware of what you're consuming before bedtime. It's important to stay away from stimulants like nicotine, caffeine, and alcohol when you are trying to fall asleep. All these can act as stimulants that keep you awake. It is best to limit your consumption of any of these substances several hours before bedtime. Try to keep your humidity levels stabilized through the winter months by investing in a humidifier. A low level of humidity can affect your sleep as your body struggles more to thermoregulate itself and stay comfortable and help your airways stay relaxed and prevent snoring and sleep apnea. Also refrain from exercising 3 to 4 hours before bedtime and limit your liquid intake 2 hours prior to bed. Staying hydrated is important, but drinking too much fluid before sleeping might promote frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom. If waking up in the night is a problem for you, which can interrupt your sleep pattern, stay away from activities such as late-night television or any activity that is stimulating. If you wake up for any reason, try doing deep breathing exercises or a calming activity such as reading. Finally, try getting some natural sunlight throughout the day. Natural light helps to regulate our body's internal clock. So even if your days are shorter or you can't get out during the day, try to expose yourself to a bright artificial light in the morning and then dim the light at night, so your body can recognize when it's time to sleep. At the end of the day, remember to get consistent exercise and sleep. Exercise along with healthy eating habits can lead to greater overall health, including improved quality of sleep. At the same time, sleep deprivation can reduce the energy and motivation needed to exercise, so make sure you're getting enough sleep. Adopting healthier sleep habits can help all the difference when it comes to getting enough rest. With the right tips, you can finally get the quality sleep you deserve and stay asleep throughout the night. Give it a try and good luck. Have a peaceful sleep. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our latest videos.